Next year, which is the year 2026, which adds up to number 1, which represents new beginning, like the starting point, is a year of the horse. When you look at these charts, it's the fiery horse. 5 different elements in Chinese reading: earth, fire, water, wood, metal. And when I compare them to basic elements in Western astrology, the fire energy is a combination of the air elements in the Western astrology. That's just from my own intuitive knowing. So there's the yang energy and the yin energy that separates. Next year is going to be yang fire, and then horse represents also the yang fire, which is both masculine energies. And it has a very word that is coming is combustion. So it's like this. We don't see the air, right? But we know that it exists, because when it doesn't or it gets depleted, we die. On a gas stove, that's the same. We don't see the gas coming out. But even if there's a tiniest little bit of gas, you have a stick of fire from the match. And then when these two combine, there's a combustion happening. That gas turns into fire, basically, like in a literal sense. And it becomes very visible to the eye. We don't realize that there's gas with fire, but we tend to believe that there's only fire, but actually there are 2 elements. It's not just one. So integration of 2 dualities or polar opposites has been coming to the forefront as a highlighting message that we've been working very diligently, especially year 2025, starting from like around fall area. Fall equinox is what is coming up. In 2024, we've been working heavily to integrate the divine masculine and the divine feminine energies within ourselves, which is the 2 polar opposites that represents the very duality that we are experimenting with on Earth at this time. So we've been healing the divine masculine that was wounded. We've been healing the divine feminine that was wounded, and now they're coming into one. Conjoining is the word that is coming, because the energy of the new earth will be founded, meaning the fundamental energy, the foundational energy will be the oneness. So that's why the energy of the oneness has been very much highlighted. And that was the big message with the Neptune I received in March 2023.